Make money like a pro in 2023. Get rich off of YouTube Shorts. Did you know as of February 1st, 2023, you can now make money off of YouTube Shorts? In a nutshell, YouTube Shorts is a feature that allows users to create and share short form videos that are 60 seconds or less. The hype around it is that YouTube wants to compete with TikTok. And to achieve this, YouTube is significantly promoting Shorts, and now you can get monetized through it. Today, we will discuss how to get accepted into the program and then provide 5 essential steps to help you be successful. Make sure to hit the like and subscribe buttons and turn on notifications to stay up to date with our latest content. Also stay tuned until the end to get my biggest bonus tip on how to succeed with YouTube Shorts. Now let's get started. To become eligible for YouTube's monetization program, you need more than 4,000 public watch hours in the last 12 months and a minimum of 1,000 subscribers. Once you meet these requirements, you can start monetizing your shorts through ad revenue, channel membership, super chat, super stickers, brand deals, and sponsorships. This will take anywhere from 6 months to a few years to really make it a full-time job if your content's good. Now that we know how to monetize your shorts, how do you become successful at it? Easy success with YouTube Shorts. These 5 steps will help you earn money and success through YouTube Shorts. Step 1, be creative. Make sure your content hooks and engages your audience. Cover new and unique ideas. Experiment to find out what works best for your audience. Typically, creators cover what's trending in addition to their regular content. For example, if you have a fitness channel, one short can be about how to build muscle, and the next can cover a recent bodybuilder's success. Remember, YouTube Shorts are growing at over 135%, so get on it. Step 2, keep it short and simple. Shorts are meant to be under 60 seconds. It's best practice to convey any idea in its simplest form and summarize for your audience. If there are multiple points to cover, pick a top 3. For example, if you have a makeup channel and are talking about celebrity makeup routines, pick your top 3 favorite and run with that. Also use engaging and impactful words such as warning, shocking, new, out of control, etc. Step 3. Use trending music and hashtags. Make sure the music and hashtags you use are relevant to your content and audience. Specific and general hashtags play a crucial part in your video's optimization for YouTube search engine. For example, if your video is about Mr. Beast's new chocolate, then include general ones like hashtag chocolate, hashtag Mr. Beast, and hashtag Feastables. But also include specific ones such as hashtag milk chocolate crunch and hashtag D's nuts. Step 4, respond to all your viewers and use their feedback to improve your content. Building a community around your shorts is crucial as it will help you grow your following and increase your earnings. To create feedback and interactions, ask questions to your audience. For example, if you're watching right now, comment your thoughts on what you'd like to see in the next video. This will keep them coming back once you've hooked them in. Step 5, consistency is your lifeline. This is what builds your channel. If you put up just 10 to 20 videos and expect much of a kick, it's not likely to happen. YouTube wants to see either super viral content or a consistent stream of content. For example, if your channel is about sports, then come up with 10 to 20 videos and put them in a playlist. Create one for each team and player if you can. This will land you 100 plus videos on the one sport. Remember, viewers love quality content. The more you have, the better off you are. Here's a bonus tip. Use analytics to improve your content using YouTube Analytics, which tracks your shorts performance. This will help you understand which videos are performing well, allowing you to adjust your content and improve your engagement. Making money on YouTube Shorts requires dedication and hard work, but it's also a fun and rewarding way to earn income. By following these tips and staying consistent with your content, you can start earning money on YouTube Shorts in no time. So what are you waiting for? Grab your phone and start creating your first short today. Thanks for watching my video on how to make money from YouTube Shorts. Make sure to like and subscribe. Also comment down below additional tips and tricks that you've learned to date, and I'll reply with my thoughts.